Hey YouTube, it's me again. So you're probably wondering, wait, why are you filming from your phone? Well, see, this is what happened, right? So I filmed a talk through for you guys and I upload my video onto my computer to edit it, of course. And come to find out, my mic wasn't even plugged in. So looks like this is gonna have to be a voiceover, unfortunately, and I'm so annoyed, but it is what it is. So if you guys want to see how I created this look that I still have on, then just keep watching. But don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and yeah, let's get right into it. So I'm picking up this brown shade from the Magic Palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm blending that out into my crease. Next, I'm going into the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm picking up this turquoise color, and I'm going to pat that right into the outer corner of my lid. Next, I'm basting my lid with Tarte Shape Tape, and then I'm going to go into the palette and pick up this yellow shade, and I'm going to pat that onto my lid right over where I applied the concealer. The colors in both of these palettes are very pigmented, but basting it with the Shape Tape is just going to give the color a little bit more pop. I'm going back into the Magic palette and I'm picking up this metallic green shade, and I'm going to put that right in the middle of my lid. I'm going to pick up that tan shade that I used in my crease, and I'm going to feather out the top of the shadow. For my liner, I'm going to be using the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. So jumping right into my face, I'm going to be using the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. And yes, Auntie Jackie convinced me to get this $52 primer. And then I'm going to be applying my Fenty Pro Filt'r foundation in the shade 420. Now, this may look a little dark or even come off a little red in the camera, but it's okay because I can't go a shade down because it would be too light. But I'm going to lighten it up with my concealer and setting powder and all that good stuff later. I'm going to be using a mixture of two concealers today. I'm going to be using my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Walnut, and I'm going to also be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Yellow. And once I finish applying that, I'm just going to take my beauty blender and blend everything out. I'm going to set my concealer with the SACHA Buttercup setting powder, and I'm going to just set pretty much my entire face because of my oily skin. I also use my Laura Mercier medium deep translucent powder just to set my smile lines. To contour, I'm going to be using the LA Colors contouring palette, and I know it looks so busted. I've been trying to find a new one, but I can't seem to find it, so I might just have to order it, but it does the job. And I'm just going to take another clean brush and dust away all the setting powder. I'm going to be setting my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. And then I'm going to jump back into my eyes, and I'm going to pick up that turquoise color in the Zulu palette, and I'm going to apply that to the outer part of my lower lid. And then I'm going to go back into the Magic palette, and I'm picking up this beautiful yellow gold metallic shade and apply that to the inner corner of my eye, and then I'm going to just blend it out. From the Magic palette, I'm picking up this kind of icy grayish bluish shade, and I'm going to apply that right in the tear duct of my eye. So for my mascara, I'm using the Benefit Cosmetic Bad Gal Bang. For my highlighter, I'm going to be using Fenty Trophy Wife. Then I'm just going to be lining my lips with the NYX lip pencil in Urban Cafe. For my lip, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Matte Liquid Lipstick in Trendsetter. And I'm just relining my lips because they kind of got faded and hidden under the liquid lipstick. And this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. You guys already know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, comment down below, and I'll see you in my next one.